Hello. Ayun. It's cancer season, you guys. Happy cancer season. It's finally my season, y'all. Can you guys believe it's my season? Miss you too, Wendy. Love ya. Dun, 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 dun. Pupunta akong Iloilo. I'm going to Iloilo this weekend on Saturday. Cannot wait. It is my season. So I just got home. Yes. I'm excited for Meet the Queens ni Marina tomorrow. I just got home from a shoot. Pagoda, pero laban lang. So, okay. Primer kasi to eh. Wait, I'll check my lip balm. Okay. How are you all? So I just announced today my birthday show. Sino excited sa birthday show? Press 1. What time to? Ang birthday show ko is